Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're in the garden, and finally, we're going to do some planting of some nightshades into this bed, and we're also going to do some planting of some lettuce over in the long bed. The plugs that you see here, I received from Circa Cultivation, and I've used them before. They're amazing. Let's get started. On this side, we're going to plant three different types of tomatoes. And the first one is going to be a beefsteak tomato. I got these in the mail earlier today. So we're going to go ahead and get them in. And here's what the plug looks like. Very healthy. And all I'm going to do is to go down about 3 inches, 4 inches, and bury the plug and the stem. Now, if you remember when we installed the drip system, we put a bubbler on this side. So we're going to move the bubbler close to the plant, but not on top of it. Next one we're going to do is a green striped tomato. Okay, the next one is a green striped tomato here. And I'm just going to pull these two leaves off of it, or snip them off. And we're going to bury this one here. Going to come up pretty good ways on the stem. And put a label in. The next one is a medium slicing tomato. And I'm taking the two leaves, the bottom leaves off of each side. And then we're going to bury this one here. And we're going to put the nozzle down so it's not touching the plant, but the plant will get watered. And we move over to the other side. Here, this is purple beef steak tomato. Well, we're going to put this one here. Again, bury it deep. Arrange the nozzle so that pointing down and not onto the plant. And put our label in. Next to it, we're going to put this one in. This one is a cherry tomato. I think I'm going to put that one on the end. We'll put this one here. And we're going to bury it deep. Don't have a label for that one yet, but we'll make one. And this one is a brandy wine that I grew. Very good. Deep. And that can deep. And the rest of these are one tomatillo and 2 eggplant and four rather, peppers. And we'll plant those on a different day. We'll put the water nozzle down there. That's the medium slicing. Medium green stripe. Okay, that's the medium green stripe. This one is the medium slicing. We'll put that label there. We got the purple. You have to do a label for that one and for that. And then we'll move on down to. So we're back at the lettuce bed, and if you remember, we planted cucumbers, black seeded Simpson lettuce, and some sunflowers. And at the time, I said that I still had room down here for more lettuce, so we're going to plant several varieties of lettuce here. Okay, first one we're going to plant, once I get it open, is a romaine lettuce. And the plug looks like this, pretty nice looking plug. And we're going to take this one and plant it on this side of the middle drip line. And we have another romaine lettuce. We're going to plant on the other side of the drip line. Okay, and I think I have labels for them. Or maybe not. Okay, I will have to make labels for them, but we're going to keep moving along. The next one we're going to do is a bib lettuce, or a couple red bib lettuces. And we're going to put one here. And we're going to put one here. And next, we're going to put a couple crisp lettuces. Put one here. And we'll put one here. Okay, let me stop it now and make my labels. This lettuce that we're going to put in is a butter lettuce. Okay, finally got it out. And we're going to put this one on this side. And we'll stick a label next to it. And that is it for the lettuces. I have 4 plugs left, and I have to figure out where I'm going to put them at. Now we're going to plant one bok choy here. And we're going to put this one right here. And we'll stick our label in. Okay, so now we have a lot of lettuce and bok choy in addition to the other plants that are here. Okay, here we're back at the Vigo raised bed, and we have the drip system running that we installed a couple videos back, and it's working well. The tomatoes are getting watered in. I'm gonna let this run for a little bit, and then I'll turn on the drip system for the overall garden to water the lettuce and bell pepper that we planted. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me while we finally planted in here. We have 6 varieties of tomatoes, and my game plan is to have them hanging or strung up. I'm going to put T-post 2 on each side here, and have some type of electrical conduit connector connecting the 2. And then I have, just like I did down in South Florida, I have tomato lines. I'm going to connect them down at the bottom and then string them up. And that should work for this bed. The other tomatoes that I have left, and there is a lot. You have the 2 remaining ones that came with the circular cultivation And then we have a lot that I started myself. So I may use cages on those, or I may put them in pots. I haven't figured out yet, but I do know I'm not going to let them go to waste. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and I will reply to you. If you have any questions or concerns about what I did, by all means, ask me, and I'll be real honest and frank replying. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God. For without him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. One more thing, too. You all may have been wondering about the hat with the towel and the long sleeve shirt and pants, being that we're in Florida. These bugs that you see flying around have been literally eating me up. After I finish filming my videos, I always have to go inside, take a shower, and put some calamine lotion on. And that's not fun. I don't like doing that. So for the time being, you'll see me in long sleeves shirts and long pants. And hopefully that will stop the problem. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. We'll see you in the next one.